Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Delta Flight HD coming at you with another video. And in this video we will be doing the Shoreview Mystic Island International Airport update. I believe this is number 5 in this series. But this one, obviously if you look around, if you've watched any of the previous updates, you know it's looks very different. Some renovation has been done. The Terminal B expansion has happened over here. And of course, we got the new cargo section. If you're not aware of, or this is your first update that you've watched of my Shoreview Mystic Island International Airport update, I'm going to give a brief description of kind of what this airport is and how it correlates to my main Shoreview International Airport. I'll leave that down in the description. I won't ramble on here in the video because I do want to pretty much get straight into it to not waste any time. As we get to the new parts, I'll talk about them a bit, but we're going to get right into it. Right here we have an Avelo 737-800. He will be going out to Orlando today. These 3 gates down here at the end are all Avelo gates. I'm just waiting on the 700s to get released. And then we get into the Allegiant gate. We go around to this side. We have the first of 3 Allegiant A319s. He is pushing out for a flight to, we'll say Chattanooga, Tennessee. Play A321. Neo will go out to Reykjavik. I think this is a new model. It's the first update I think it's been in. TUI 787-8. He will go out to, we'll send him out to Manchester. So the first new part, I have added some bushes here. As you can see, this grass strip right here is the only one that is not done yet. But it'll look just like all the other ones where you see those bushes. I think they look really good, really make it look realistic. So that's going to be done. But as you can see, all the grass strips have these bushes. And then the ones further from the runway have trees on them as well. But we'll go here to the Allegiant MD-83. He will be going out to, we'll send him out to Syracuse. And then way back there in the back, coming in from a flight from Grand Cayman is the Cayman 737-800 MAX. As I said, coming in from Grand Cayman. And then back there on the way back, we have in the new cargo section, as you can see, if I zoom out here, there's a bunch of trees out there. Really think it looks nice with the trees and bushes mixed in here. And then you have the control tower now is over there instead of being right on top of the terminal where it used to be right here. I think it looks really good over there. Really proud of that. And I think it looks really realistic and good. Hope you guys like this area too, because this is my personal favorite of the airport. So first we have a Primera 767-300F. He will be going out to Cincinnati CVG. Then we have a new model that I actually just got right before filming this video today. I got it today. As a Primera 737-800 operated by Sun Country. And he will go down to Lakeland, where most of the Primera 737-800Fs fly into. Right here we have a C-17. I kind of forget which airbase it is, but we'll send it down to Charleston today. Then we have the Sun Country 737-800. I think this is a new model. I think this is the first update that I put this in. He's just sitting over here. Not a cargo flight, but just sitting over here. He came in from Bullhead City on a charter flight. Seems like Sun Country does a lot of charter flights out of Bullhead City. Not quite sure why. But it is pretty common to see in various airports. But he came in from Bullhead City, and he'll go out to Minneapolis. Just a ferry flight back to Minneapolis then. Over here, we have the hangar. This is the one part that I'm definitely going to change. Since it's made out of Legos, eventually I want to get the Gemini Jet one or some other hangar. But yeah, definitely want to replace this because obviously you don't see Lego hangars in real life. So, but I just wanted to put this here. There's nothing in it right now. but I just have it sitting over here, just to kind of show that this is where a real hangar is going to be eventually. And then we just have two COJs here. Delta and American don't fly here, but I just wanted to put them here because there is two hard stands kind of here for the hangar, for planes that will be waiting to go to the hangar. I just wanted to put them there just to show that there is two places there. And then there's some other parking over here alongside this taxiway that might be used eventually. There's kind of an open apron area over there. I may also do some private jet stuff over here. Not quite sure. But we'll go to the other side, sticking with Terminal A then. We have a Allegiant A319. He will go up to Bangor today in Maine. A couple empty gates, and we got an Allegiant A320 in the old livery. He'll go down to, we'll send him down to Greensboro today. We'll go to the other side here. A319, this one with the winglets. This is the unrealistic one by Gemini Jets. But this A319 will go out to Roanoke. And then the last A319, this is the another one without winglets. He will go out to, we'll send him out to Toledo in Ohio. And then we'll get into, that was the first, by the way, that was the first gate of Terminal B, which is the new terminal, which is right over here. Very much liking it. I hope you guys do too. But then we have an empty gate. Then we have our two A320s. The first A320 will go out to Indianapolis. They're at B3. And then at the final gate here in the B terminal, B4, is another Allegiant A320 with winglets. And he will go down to, we'll send him out to Orlando, Sanford. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, lots of new renovations and the expansion with Terminal B. I hope you guys do like the airport. And if you guys have any other suggestions to make it even better, please leave them in the comments below. And like I said, that last scratch strip will be done before the next airport update. But other than that, I think pretty much all the renovations are done, except for maybe a few foils here and there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys did enjoy. I am looking to start uploading a little bit more. I know because of college, and then I had a lot of work being done to my house, so it was tough to make any airport updates. That's why there wasn't anything coming out from me. But and then I moved Mystic Island down here. It's not in my room anymore. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this update. Hope to see you guys soon, and have a good one.